Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2010 Kawasaki Vulcan Nomad. This big bore 1700cc Vtwin cruiser just arrived with only 10,900 miles. Beautiful two-tone finish, black and gold metallic. She's got the engine guards, floorboards, 6-speed transmission, locking side cases, and a nice big passenger saddle for your riding buddy. Come on by, make your big bore cruiser dreams come true for just $69.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Come on by and check it out. Make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.